no? Hello guys, punta na naman tayong dumpster dive. And yun, balikan natin yung kung saan yun tayo na ano ng pulis. Sana po walang pulis doon ngayon. So yun yung una nating stopan. Unahin natin yun siya. And then pagkatapos yan, punta tayo sa ibang tindahan. Dumpster dive tayo with yan. So okay guys, let's go. May nanggaling na dito. Kinuha na yung basura at may nanggaling na dito. Okay. Wala na. Kinuha na. Okay. Walang pulis guys. So, puntahan lang natin kung anong laman. Yeah, they pick up already today. I guess today is yung pick up. I guess ngayon yung pick up nila guys. Ngayon yung pick up nila kasi walang laman. And then yung una nating pinuntahan is ano siya. Tawag nun. May laman pero konti. Tignan natin dito guys. Oh, it's open. It's open. Oh, it's open guys. May laman. Sige, come on. Tignan natin may laman. Bid bath. There's something in there, so I will go park like it. It's pretending close. Okay, this is gonna be quick. And I want to put it, throw it in the back. Okay. Air bed. Oh no. Whole list was the blanket. It's heavy. Okay. That's also the same thing.
Hellos.
Yeah. Dalhin na natin sila guys. Okay.
You don't know.
Oh, this is not cut. Iron here. Iron guys. Is this umbrella? Okay. Okay, I'm going in. Huh? Yeah, put this over there.
Lock on the iron.
What kind? Oh, there's no. Let's put it here for now. Okay, that's another curtains. The same curtains. Sorry. Ay, electric, oh. Electric for the something. What is this for? This is mystery box. Just put that over there. Oh, this is for this. Oh. You can put that back, it's the same thing. Yeah, all of this is for this. Which one? What is it? That's heavy. Hello. Hold on. Oh, what is that over there? What is this? This one? Han. Honey. Looks like a rice cooker. Ang bigat. Ang daming nakuha eh. Okay, here.
You don't see some kind of plug for that, do you?
Plug. Ang bigat.
Oh, there's a canister for that.
Where? What? Which one? Which one? This one? Is that even working? Here. Oh, put it in the front. Okay, guys. Oh shit. Coffee. This is free coffee. Huh?
What's that bag?
Which bag?
A black bag. It's your thread.
This one. This is a stroller, I guess. This is stroller. Look, it's heavy. I'm not taking that. Yeah, I don't know. Look. Yeah. Ito natin ito. Sana may. Okay. So, kaya. Yan. Hey guys, so guys, yung luckily meron tayong nakuha doon sa tagal-tagal ng panahon na, well, actually matagal na hindi ako nakabalik doon sa lugar na yon kung saan tayo makakuha ng mga kortina, mga anik-anik sa pangbahay na gamit. Mga ilang, I think 1 month din. I think almost 1 month na hindi ako nakabalik doon kasi palagi silang close. So thankfully, open sila at saka meron tayong nakuha. So yun. So yung nakuha ko guys, i-haul natin yun sa bahay. Bukas na guys kasi it's already almost 12 o'clock ng gabi. And so i-haul natin yun. Ipakita ko sa inyo isa-isa bukas sa bahay. So makikita ninyo yan guys. Anyway. So let's go take mga bahog tik-tik. You see it honey?
Bahog tik-tik?
La, let's go take mga bahog tik-tik.
No.
Huh?
Too much.
Let's go take.
Let's go take the bahog tik-tik.
Okay, good. Very good.
Where she is?
Hi guys! So ngayon guys, i-ano muna natin ito. Sinaksak na ni Mr. itong nakuha natin. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Hello po sa inyong lahat dyan. Ito na po guys, ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nakuha natin. Ay no, nakita na ninyo kagabi. Haul natin, ano po yung nakuha natin sa dumpster. 3 pillow. Maganda pong pillow po ito guys. And then malabhan mo siya. 3 pillow. Look. Puting-puti. Brand new. Brand new. Kinuha lang siya sa cellophane. So yun siya. And second is itong another iron. So meron na tayong ang isang iron kasi Tommy doesn't fix it yet. So there is a temperature. Look. Look, there is a temperature, steam. Maganda siya guys na iron. They return it, Han. You know why?
What?
Because they put it. Yeah, they put it in something, and they don't like it and sticky. So all you have to do is clean that up. So ito, I think this is a blanket. Let's see what is the anong message. It says damaged, defective, broken. It says broken daw. Anong broken nga? Material man ito, guys. What is broken about it? It's broken daw. Oh, look at this. Let me see kung broken. Anong broken ito, guys? And let me see kung asan yung tag nito, be. May tag ito, eh. At may kasamang pillowcase. Look. May kasamang pillowcase dito sa box. Look, dito pa yung mga cellophane. Look at this. Dito, oh. Oh, it's a comforter. I don't know what is damaged about it. Something wrong with people, right? And good thing they don't spray anymore. Because they lock it. This time they don't lock kasi it's garbage pickup. Next, guys, ito siya. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. It's umbrella, guys. Look. Hala, it says Tommy Bahama. Han, it's Tommy Bahama. Yeah, it's your brand. Be quiet because our viewers doesn't know that we have a company. Meron kaming company, guys. Tommy Bahama. It's Tommy. Be quiet because you know what, guys. The thing is, we don't tell you. I'm just joking. It's a Tommy's brand. It's a umbrella you can put on the, you can put it on the table. The table that we have in the back porch. Yun siya, guys. Magagamit siya yan. And next is itong water tank is only meant to hold. Ito siya, guys. Oh. Look, maganda pa din yung color niya, look. So, meron tayong steamer para maging lugwa. Maglugwa yung mga mga kapangitan sa mukha. Oh my God, therapeutic blanket. It's very heavy though. Very heavy. Yung damage is a poor packaging. The package is very poor. Let me try to open this. I don't know if you can wash this. Wow, wait. Huh?
That's so therapeutic.
Oh my God, let me see. This is a heavy blanket. I die if I have this blanket. Ah, guys, look. You can wash the cover, the therapeutic, all the beans. There is, merong mga maliliit na beans sa loob. Yun yung nakapahibi sa kanya. And kung iwawash mo siya, look, my zipper, and then yung beans is out. Here, blanket. Look, this is heavy. What the heck? Electric na naman ito, guys. Look. This is weird. I think this is... Ay, sharper image, oh. Oh my God, halahan. Oh my God. This is for the back. Sharper image. Look, guys, if you have a back problem, you put this in your back, and the massage will push. Look, oh. It's a massage thing for the back. You just strap it and that's it. Obviously, kapag magda-dive ka, hanapin mo yung mga plug. Pero ito, hindi namin nahanap yung plug. At nakalimutan namin na may plug pala siya. Akala ko andito na kasi na cellophane siya, diba? So ngayon, ang gagawin ni Tami is marami siyang wire. Tignan lang niya kung anong voltage, mga adapter. So, yun lang. And then, mahanap niya yan. So, fights na magagamit niya yan. And, meron tayong mystery box. Look. Mystery box. It smells good. Mabango. What is in here? Candle. Letter P. B and willow. Ang bango. Oh, si P and si R. Who is PR? P and R. So, guys, oh. Kandila. And then, may P at saka si R. So, marami na tayong kandila. Pwede doon sa dining natin, dining table. May nakita na naman tayong mga coffee. Mga kape kasi, guys, hindi sila expired. Yung box, hindi siya expired. Pero, tinapon siya kasi may nagisi. Yung parang may na-open yung ito ba. And then, alam nyo man, pag kape. So, messy na siya, parang natabunan na siya ng mga kape, madumi na. So, ang gagawin ko is hugasan ko lang siya. And, guys, nakahanap kami ng, it's a hover vacuum. So, we found this canister. And, also, yung yung magva-vacuum. At, ang hindi namin na-realize na hindi pala namin nakuha yung holder kung saan yung wire. At, pwede naman siyang ibigay, di ba? So, tignan lang sa internet kung meron kang makukuha na na yung handle ng vacuum. And, nakahanap tayo ng mga folding na parang, ito, parang ito ba? Ito siya, mapa-fold siya, and then pwede siyang maging, parang storage. Padala sa Pinas, guys. Cortina, guys. Ay, this is look a shower curtain to me. No, it's not. It's a curtains, guys. Dalawa po siya, pares. Dalawa. Look. Cortina. Dalawa. Magagamit yan, guys. Itong rice cooker, guys. Ito yung rice cooker. And then, look.
Look at the front. Tells you everything it has.
Ang bigat-bigat niya, guys. Grabe, guys. Ang bigat. Hala, it won't close. That's why.
It closes. What are you talking about?
It's just good. You should go over here to lock it. Look, oh, it's not even locked, oh. Oh, you turn this on? What? Look, oh, naka-on siya, guys.
You can see an arrow, but I don't see nothing that turns here. Oh, maybe this whole top turns.
Huh?
Maybe this whole top turns. Let's see.
Okay. No, it won't. It won't.
Well, if it does, it'd have to be released on it somehow. I don't see anything here that turns. I don't see anything that's missing. Like if there's a lock piece here, I see a little, see this little thing?
Yeah.
Unless there's a touch lock.
Look, oh, you can just open it.
Yeah, but you can't open it while it's heating.
I don't want to blow this up.
That won't blow up. It's just heating up. Well, you want to see if it gets hot enough. If it's getting warm, I want to see if it gets hot.
Seems like the back one is open. It's not closed properly.
That says pressure. Something about the lid. Okay.
Okay, can you stop it now? Because there's nothing in there.
Well, let's see when it gets to the point where it touches close the lid. Maybe the lock shows up then. Maybe this thing lights up and then you gotta lock it. This is the lid.
Yeah, but there is another lid also for, I think, for extra lid. Yeah. For under it. I think I found it over there. Just don't get it. Because we found this before, remember?
I don't know.
The bigger version.
An extra lid that locks onto this, maybe.
Yeah. To cook the rice. And when you do something new.
Well, without that, then you can't do certain things, I guess. Maybe that's what. You gotta turn the extra lid.
So, yun lang yung nakuha natin, guys. So, ngayon, nakuha natin naman ito, pero may kulang nga. So, ngayon, mag-order na lang kami online kasi magagamit po siya kahit saan, 'di ba? Itong Ninja na ano. So, ang gagawin po namin is bibili kami kasi dapat pala may lock ito dito. Hala, ang init. May lock ito dito and then ito siya, every time magluto ka ng something, open ito and then may kakaibang lock dyan. So, ngayon, ang gagawin namin is we're going to order the parts nito, yung sa ilalim pang lock. Pero Ninja po siya, guys. Ito. Pero, ang problema nito is display. I mean, ito siya, display siya, guys. Pero, ito siya, real machine. Itong sa ibabaw. Pero, kinuha nila yung mga, kinuha nila yung mga yung wire. Tinanggal nila sa likuran. So, yun, hindi po siya magagamit. Dinala ni Tommy kasi gusto niyang malaman kung ano to at saka mabigat. Kapag mabigat, yung mga display na mabigat, totoong product po yan, hindi yun fake. Pero, ang problema nito is kinuha yung wire sa likuran as in tinanggal yung mga screw at something. So, yun. Uy, magagamit ko to, oh. Ito, magamit ko to. So, itapo namin ito siya, guys. Pero, hala, paano? How to? So, hindi po siya pwedeng magamit. Kasi, ini-screw nila doon. Di-screw yung mga part na ito. Di-screw it. So, screw you. So, kaya itapo natin yan. So, yan. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. So, yun lang yung nakuha natin, guys. Hopefully, guys, nag-enjoy kayo. Please share the video, guys, para naman meron tayong, kapag mag-giveaway na ako, please share, guys. Kasi po, para mag-giveaway tayo kung sino yung mabigyan. So, yun, makatulong lang konti. Salamat sa pag-share. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys sa mga susunod nating vlog. Please manood din kayo ng vlog. At saka, you know, dumpster dive. Anyway, thank you. Bye!
Alright, it's telling me there's something wrong with the lid. So, let's see. That's just for a fan. Okay, seems to work. This has something gooey stuck on it. It seems like there's a piece missing here. The water piece is missing from the front of this.